Hey, I'm Sydney, founder of Recoupable. Let's dive in. Recoupable is an AI agent music platform built to help record labels, music managers, artists, marketers, and more do everything from artist services to fan engagement, rollouts, content creation, and so much more. What separates us from ChatGPT, Claude, and every other generic AI tool is that our agents are trained on music industry nuance, and we make it easy for you to build an artist intelligence layer for your roster. Let me show you how it works. If you've already used AI tools like Chat or Claude, this probably looks pretty familiar to you, and that's because it is. On the left-hand side, you have recent chats. You can click your name at the bottom to see your credit and manage your subscriptions. But where it starts to get different is on the right side. You'll see a list of all your roster, and you can click on you're chatting with the AI about that artist. You can see your recent chats change, as well as the knowledge base that the AI is talking to. For any of your artists, you can click these three dots to dive in deeper, connect things like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and see the artist intelligence that we already have loaded in. For example, we have artist background, music and brand trajectory, platform-specific performance, release campaign history, fan-based profiles, immediate revenue opportunities, and more. This is also a living document. If you see anything you want to remove or add, just click this edit button. You can also set an agent to automatically update this monthly, but we'll get to that later. Here's another example of artist intelligence that we're constantly pulling for your roster. You'll notice some artists have a style guide. This makes it easy for the AI to generate images in the same brand world as your artist. Before we dive in and start chatting, let me show you a couple more things on the sidebar. On the left-hand side, you'll see files. This is where you can store all artist-specific assets, from images to videos to album art, anything that could help you give context to the AI. If you want to access a file to include it in chat, all you have to do is press the Add button. Another awesome feature is all the models that you have access to. Just click this, you'll see models from OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, Grok, and we have hundreds of other models. I know this can look very intimidating, so I recommend starting with these models. You'll see they're labeled with what they're good at. Gemini 2.5 Flash is great for fast responses. Claude is great for running agents. GPT-5 is great for thinking. Grok is good for copywriting. And we've just started adding image and video models to start to create content with Nano Banana and more. So now that you have a general overview of the platform, let's start a couple chats and run some agents. And you can see it's used the artist intelligence that it has and some reasoning steps to give us an artist overview. If you're curious to see how the AI got to some of its conclusions, just click here to open up its reasoning steps to see what's going on under the hood. Okay, cool. So it knows who the artist is. What else can we do? That's where agents come in. If you click this agents button on the left, we have over 50 agent templates to help you kick off tasks. Everything from creating viral content ideas, to emailing you social trends, to finding market opportunities, and more. Just click the button and watch the agent run. You can see it's brainstorming campaign visuals, refining campaign content, developing content ideas, preparing image generation. And it's just going to run in the background until this job is done. And there you go. Because it knows our artist and it knows the style, it's going to create content that gets you much closer to something usable. Cool. Now what? One of my favorite recoupable features is email this. You can ask the agent to email the contents of your chats to you, your team, your artists, and it will. Let's see the email. And there we go. 5 authentic viral content ideas with example images sent right to your team's email in 5 minutes. Another awesome feature is reoccurring tasks. With any chat, just tell the agent that you want to repeat this workflow at a specific day or time. And this is where the true power of AI agents starts to take place, where you can tell the agent to do a workflow and it will repeat this workflow without you having to use the platform. All I had to do was set up this workflow one time. And now every Monday at 10, I'm going to get an email with 5 fresh concepts and visuals that I can pick and choose from. To see all your recurring tasks, just click this tasks button. From here, you can view, pause, and edit any of your agent's tasks.